Welcome to TestLink plugin demo. In this video, we could see the current behavior within the first version of TestLink plugin. First of all, we need to start up the environment with Docker and Docker Compose. This will make us able to start running the test from the selected TestLink instance. We have a Docker Compose file with the services ready to be launched. The repository of code and the images are publicly available in GitHub and Docker Hub. With the Docker Compose log command, we are entering into the logging system interactively, and we can wait for the whole system to be ready. We could see that the system is booting up the TestLink and MariaDB environment to have a functional instance reachable through the internet, and also, we could see Spring Boot and Angular SPA messages until they are ready to be operated. The TestLink images are offered by Bitnami and we have different volumes to make the data persist between different containers. The other images are built by us. The Spring Boot server has a Tomcat web server embedded, and for the client side, we have an Nginx web server serving the optimized build, generated with the Angular command line interface. If we look at the green-colored text log, we will see Swagger logs generating the interface with the API documentation. When the system is ready, we could open the browser and launch the official TestLink application. On the left tab of Chrome browser, apply the login with the default credentials for the admin user, and navigate through the main page. On the right tab, we have the TestLink plugin instance running on the 4200 port. We could see the home page in which we have different information about the TFG, and also, we could have different notices or alerts to the users. If we navigate through it, then we could go to the instances dashboard by clicking on the Go App button located in the main section. Now we have different instances to log and configured in the instances file, and, if we click on the Docker instance, then the login form for this instance will be opened. In this section, we have different messages to alert if the password is not correct because of the format, or because it's empty. When we click on the login button with an incorrect key, then the system will display a message with the failure information. And will add a snack bar message, quite useful for the mobile users. Coming back again to the official TestLink application, and going to the settings section, it is possible to keep or copy the developer API key needed to complete the login in our app. If we paste the copied password from the clipboard, the system will connect to TestLink, and we'd see the main instance dashboard with different sections to display: the projects, test plans, test builds, and test cases. We have the main information of the selected project on the left, and on the right, we can select the test plan and also see the main information of this test plan. Under these sections we have the test cases grouped by builds, offering the possibility to open or collapse all. Also we can filter in the whole build by test case name or in each build by status, version, platform, execution type, external ID or name. When we change the selected test plan or the whole project, the interface does not reload all the content, just update the sections with the proper loading animations. This will boost our experience because the bandwidth is not overwhelmed by sending HTML files every time we click, as it is in the official TestLink interface. After making contact with the interface, we can search for any test case, maybe with not run status. In our case, we can select the .docker project, the backend test plan, and then click on the test case with name, unauthorized 401, execution type manual and platform Ubuntu 17.10, and the system will load the execution section. In this new section we have again the main information distributed in two sections grid. The top section has the main information about the test case name, status, build, platform, etc. The bottom section has the steps execution, final result, upload attachment section and report section. This one will be opened when any step status was set to fail or block or when the final result was set. The status of each test plan or final result is automatically added to the report section, in which we can also add other information with a markdown editor. If we leave the final result is not run, the system will not permit the submission of this form. Before sending the execution we could upload some attachment to the current execution. Also, remove it to upload something new if we had made a mistake in the selection dialog. When we accept the submission of this execution, we can check the uploaded status in the application and also in the official TestLink instance within we are operating. After checking the correct behavior of the application, and going to the report section in the official TestLink instance, we can verify that the report, attachments, and status have been uploaded successfully. That's all with the demo video of Elastis TestLink plugin. Don't hesitate to try the application available on GitHub and Docker Hub and also to take a look at the whole Elastis test platform. Thank you for watching.